How to use Wayfair credit card for financing. To use your Wayfair's credit card or Wayfair's Mastercard for financing, you could follow these steps. Now, during the online or checkout procedure, you could use these. What you need is first thing first, launch open your app. You could simply go ahead and select the payment method at the checkout. You could choose your Wayfair credit card or Wayfair's Mastercard as a payment method. And if your order qualifies, a list of eligible financing options will appear as well. And you could just select the plan you wish to apply to your purchase. What you need is you could just go ahead and add item to your card, and you could go to the card section, and there you could simply go ahead and look for checkout. As soon as you select the checkout button, underneath you just have to go ahead and add in your or choose Wayfair's credit card or debit card, and that is how you're supposed to review, or that is simply how you're supposed to use Wayfair's credit card for financing. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.